Well, we just got everything switched over for double crop beans. They're calling for snow tonight, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get some cut. I'm just hopeful we can get through the day without having any accidents.
There's a cold front moves in from the west. Total snow accumulation around an inch.
We got 40 acres left. I think a couple hours we'll have her done. We've got to get this done. Had to replace those two belts right there. One was off and one was getting loose. We've got about 90 acres. We're going to get started today. It's still a little wet out, but they're calling for snow tonight, so we're going to go ahead and try to get some cut and see how it goes. Let's go give it a shot and see how wet they are. And now I got a tire to fix. Oh, Dad pushed on the cart too much when he's trying to hook up the header. And hopefully it would just pop the bead off here. Good grief. Where the heck's he going? We're pretty optimistic that we'll get close to 40 bushels an acre on these double crop beans. They look pretty nice this year. So Dad's out doing a test run right now. Right over there you can see the bean dust rolling. Let's get this auger set and go get a load of beans to see how they look. I'm just hopeful we can get through the day without having any accidents, disasters, or catastrophes on the farm. It seems like every time Dad goes out, I'm just cringing and waiting for something to happen. But we've been pretty fortunate the last half of the season. Just a few minor incidents this year. But my little brother, who often helps with the repairs when Dad does damage something, is out on a western tour with his new wife on a little vacation. So it's just me and Dad to tackle these last 90 acres of double crop beans. All right, let's get this thing moved up a foot. Go get us a load of beans.
Service forecast for west central Ohio. Tonight, snow likely with a chance of rain in the evening, then snow likely after midnight. Total snow accumulation around an inch. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of freezing drizzle and snow in the morning.
Freezing drizzle? Good thing we're getting these beans off today.
Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance.
Well, things are going pretty good. We got 40 acres left, and we will be completely done for the season. I'm going to pull in here and grab some dinner real quick while Dad's running beans. And hopefully it's only going to be about 3 more truckloads. Well, I just grabbed a quick bite for dinner, and we decided to go ahead and try to finish up this last 40 acres for the season. The sun's went down, but I think a couple hours we'll have her done. With this snow and rain coming in tomorrow, we got to get this done. So it'll feel good to have the harvest completely finished up for the year, get everything put away in the barn. Should only be about another 2.5 loads. Yield has been all over the board. between 20 and 40. So it's really not that bad. Probably averaging around 30 some bushels an acre. Not bad at all for double crop beans. Alright, so I was wrong. This field we're in right now is doing close to 40 bushels an acre, so a couple trucks is not going to hold it all. I guess that's a good problem to have. So I'm going to run home, dump this load, and grab a couple wagons so Dad does not run out of room, and make sure we get this finished up. Got her done. 2018 harvest season in the books.